A stock in focus is Cera Sanitary, rather Garware wall ropes. Cera is in focus, yes, the results came out, the stock is now in the red. But Garware wall ropes, it's up 6.5%. The case for a chat, the ICRA has upgraded the credit ratings to AA minus, and that probably has augured well for Garware wall ropes. Shujaul Rehman, Chief Executive Officer, Garware wall ropes, joins us right now on the show. Good having you, Mr. Rehman. Thanks so much for joining in. Now, you know, uptick of ratings is great, but you as a company have consistently anyways been reducing your debt on books. Compared to FY12, I think your debt was 140 odd crores. It's now about 30 odd crores. So is it a dramatic cost saving for you? I mean, because of this upgrade, do your borrowing costs come down and therefore would you save dramatically on your interest or not quite?
Our interest cost is already very low at about 1.1% of our top line. So if you look at last 3-4 years, we have been reducing the interest cost. The effort that we have pushed in the area of innovation and in the area of customer insighting has given us results. We have launched many products which are innovative in nature, and the margin profile of the business has changed. So that has helped us tide over the margin profile and everything. So we are doing well in terms of profitability because of the focus on innovation and customer insighting, I would say.
So my question would be, now does this ratings upgrade in any way cause any kind of dramatic benefits to you? Were you planning to maybe take some debt for expansion plans or something? Does this have a material benefit to you?
At this stage, no, because our current utilization of debt is very low. But do we have plans for expansion in the near future? So if there is something on the annual on that front, it will help us. But right now, I don't think it's going to help us in any major manner.
Okay. Tell us, I mean, what would be the big trigger for Garware wall ropes? Because I think you're developing products for the defense segment as well. How would your FY17 revenue pie look like, the split there? And when, if and when, would defense start contributing in a big way to your overall top line?
For the F17, the current year, I don't think defense is going to contribute in a major manner because defense, as you all know, is a long gestation cycle development. We are working with lots of government agencies and products are being developed, but the commercialization is yet to happen. So I don't see any major benefit in terms of F17 from the defense business. Maybe going forward, F19, we may get some benefit in terms of top line, bottom line, but right now I don't see anything happening for F17 at least.
Okay, your products also cater to several segments: agriculture, geosynthetics, fisheries, sports, etc. In which segments in particular do you see strong demand?
We had very good demand from agriculture segment of late, but because of the drought situation in the country, we have had a problem. With the monsoon looking much better right now, I think the demand for agriculture will boom. We are also a very big player globally in the aquaculture segment, where we also face some issues of geopolitical in nature, and also the issue of crude price drop, which impacted countries like Norway, which are a big consuming market for us. So, but I think those issues are also taken care of now, and we see some improvement on aquaculture. So I feel that aquaculture and agriculture, these two segments will continue to drive our growth in the near future.
Okay. So leave us with, Mr. Rehman, leave us with what do you think your FY17 top line, bottom line numbers, EPS numbers could look like?
Obviously, it's too early to talk about F17. We just ended the quarter 1. So we'll continue to grow the way we are growing. As I told you some time back, the focus on innovation is giving us results. We are launching products where we are able to have much premium margins. We are able to tide over the commodity cycle also in a sense that we are able to pass on the increases whenever it happens and absorb the price drops, so to say. So that is helping us. I don't see any major, any major event in F17. We will continue to do well the way we are doing in the last the way we did in the last 2-3 years.
Thanks, Mr. Rehman, for joining us and giving us that quick perspective. We wish you all the best with your plans. 425 on the stock and still holding high, 7%.